Good morning, children. Let's start the next chapter, Across the Wall. This chapter is all about the girls. These girls are just like, 13 years old girls. And these girls, they made a team, basketball team, and they are from very poor family. Okay. So let's read about it. And they appeared in the newspaper. This cutout which you see it's a cutout of the newspaper. Let's start. Stars in Her Eyes. Indian Express 2007. Just 13 years old Afsana Mansoori has already jumped over the wall between her juggi and the local basketball court. The wall made by the society. So, these girls, they used to stay in the juggi. Juggi means slum. Okay. And there was the wall between the juggi and the basketball court. So these girls used to jump over the wall and go to practice in the basketball court. Let's move ahead. The wall made by society for a girl who washes utensils for a living. The gender wall her mother had put up for her. So gender wall means you are you are girls, so you shouldn't be playing all these games like this. Their mother told. Their mother were they were against them to play the basketball. So that's the gender wall. Today Afsana herself has become a strong wall of NBA. Now what is NBA, children? NBA is nothing but Nagpada Basketball Association. Nagpada Basketball Association. Today she is the source of strength for 5 other girls who have come to the basketball court. Leaving behind the problems of their everyday lives, today she is the star of a young team. This team has managed to surprise some of the Mumbai's club teams. There are many rich people who used to play in the clubs, and they were so poor, their mothers were, they used to wash the utensils in others' houses. So they are the maids' children. But they were so courageous and they had so lot of guts that they could actually give a very good fight to those Mumbai's club teams. They used to surprise them. And with a gut and courage, the team has reached the semi-finals of a district level tournament. Children, they are reaching to semi-final of the district level tournament. Means they were really good, isn't it? So meeting the team. So we read in the newspaper about Afsana and the Nagpada basketball team. So we thought of meeting these girls and introducing them to you. We took the train and got off at Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus railway station. Okay, so what is the full form of Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus station? What is the full form of CST? It is Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. Okay, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus station. Okay, that's the railway station. From there, we walked towards Nagpada. It took us just 20 minutes to reach there. There we met Afsana and the other girls of the Nagpada Basketball Association. Now read the interview with the team members. Now meet this special team. Now please underline who are the team members. The team members are meet Afsana, Zareen, Khushnoor and Afreen. Afsana, Zareen, Khushnoor and Afreen. At first the girls were quiet, but once they started, they just didn't stop. So Zareen began. My house is just in front of this ground. My brother used to play here. I would stand in the balcony of my balcony and watch the boys play. I was in class 7th at that time. Whenever the boys played a match, many people came to watch. The winning team got a lot of praise. Everyone cheered the players. Okay. On seeing all this, I wished I could also play. Would I too get a chance to show my talent? I asked to the coach, but was afraid. He is a good friend of my father. The coach said, why not? If you bring some more girls, you can make a team. Then I will teach you. Okay. So children, by looking those boys playing the basketball, she also thought of, why can't I play? Will I be able to play someday? She went and she spoke to the coach, and the coach said, yes, if you'll bring more girls, then you can make a team and you can play. Okay. Find out, is there any place to play near your house? What do people play there? Who plays there? Do the children of your age also get a chance to play there? What other things happens in this place? Let's move ahead. We asked, was it easy to make a beginning? Means to start. Was it easy to start? Khushnoor. At first, my parents refused. But when I insisted, they agreed. Afsana. My mother works in the flats and sends us to school. I also help her. When I told her about my plans to play basketball, Ammi got angry. She said, girls do not play basketball. Do your work, go to school and study hard. No need to go to the playground to play. But when my friends and coach sir talked to her, Ammi agreed. So you can think, children, how her mother was like, she never wanted her to play in the basketball. What she said, girls don't play. That's what she said, isn't it? So she only was putting up the obstruction, like gender obstruction, that you are a girl and you should not be playing. But finally she agreed to that when coach sir came and other friends came to her house. Afrin. We were not allowed because we are girls. You can say this, you can see these girls were not allowed. My grandmother gets very angry with all of us. But still, we three sisters come here to play. Grandmother scolds us and even scolds our coach sir. She tells us, you need proper equipment to play. You need to have a lot of milk for strength. Where will the money for all these come from? But Daddy understands our feelings. He even teaches us some special moves used in the game. My daddy also used to play on this ground when he was young. He did not have proper shoes or clothes. He used to practice with a plastic ball. Daddy tells us that Bachchu Khan was the coach when he used to play. Bachchu Khan was the coach, okay, when he was small. He saw my daddy playing once. He realized that the boy played very well and that he should be trained properly. He gave proper shoes and clothes to my daddy. My daddy could have become a very good player, but because of his responsibilities at home, he left the game and took up a job. So he wants us to play and become good player. Okay children, so you can see how Afrin's father, he was also a very good player, but because of his responsibility and the poor background. He was not very rich, so he had to take up a job and leave the game. Okay, so till here only we'll do today, and rest we'll do tomorrow. So now I'm sending you the question answers for this chapter.